Okay, this is to show you how I do my power distribution. As you can see here, I just solder all the wires up to one going to the black lead. I tape back everything else here just so it's easy to solder what I'm working with. Right now I'm going to release the red wires. I'm going to show you how I get this part done, and then should be set with my power distribution. Watch out. Okay, so those two, you can see, I'm going to be right there. So right about where that W is, I'm going to make a cut. The wires are small enough, I just use my nails. Show some of that wire. Since I want them going this way, I'm going to match it up with this one. Let's try and keep it on this side of that black clump, so I'll get it over here. Okay. Well, that's not working. Okay, right there, those wires meet up nicely. Now I want these, but I want them to come back around this way, same way I did these, how they sort of makes the heat shrink go on easier. So what I will do, sort of get the curve in there. I'll make sure everything's clear of the hole. That's where I want it. So right there. So now when I bend that, match it up, perfect. And now this one the same way. Get it over there. Now what I'll do, just match up where the wires all start. Out of the way. There we go. So pull that one up and then just twist them. Twist them all the way up nice and tight. So now when this lays down, it'll be next to that. All the wires will clear the holes, no issues. Let me see, that's just fine. Perfect. So now what I want to do is solder this clumpy mess of wires together. Nicely done. I think it's hot, by the way. Snip those off now. This is my mess pile of just trash that weight I've saved. I'm gonna weigh that when it's all done. Alright. Flatten that out a little bit. Feet shrink. Of course. Hold on. Harbor Freight. This stuff is great. Again, I like to stretch them. Make it go down over that clump of wires easier. A lot of times you can pull these wires, this sleeve on here slips down, pull it up to get rid of any excess there. And then what's left right there, I like to take the liquid tape and just get it right down the side there. Better safe than sorry. Shouldn't be any more exposed wire. Oh, let's get that side too. These are going to come out the side here. This should all tuck down nicely. It'll stand off right there, and that'll be good. Next, I'm going to solder my wires directly to my flight control board, which I am going with a CC3D board. I've removed the pins. That's what these are, extra weight I don't need. And this is my Futaba receiver. Made it as light as possible to remove one of the antennas. I'm only going to need one. I'm not going to be flying this sucker far away. This will mount right there. I'll run S-bus from that port there to those top 3 wires right there. And mount her like so. I will have a top plate to go over this also, so everything's nice and safe. Be back soon.